to a waterfall, and I don't think that you can. It's not the swimming kind, but it's a beautiful kind. So I go there. Tukad Cepung waterfall, I think it's called. So I'm here at Tukad Cepung waterfall. That way. So yeah, when I first heard about this place, it felt like it was secluded and hidden, and nobody knew about it. And now it's like maybe that blog was from like I don't know, very long time ago. Oh, you can see the people are exhausted coming up. I will actually have a burger, chicken burger here, and here there's like a bird nest. This is me a video inside, but now I will get help. This tourist restaurant, it feels really nice with a lot of layers and the crispy burger and a Bali view. My God, love Bali. Love Bali. I'm on my way down and just saw a very big lizard here. Oh, that was gone. Also, here they have swings and you can eat lying in a swing. Or in the, like a, I don't know, what do you call it? Like a swing table. But that looks really nice. There you have like the Hoover Dam, but in Balinese, the Ballo Dam. And now we're following the water here. So I'm coming to a little fall. Maybe this is it? No, I don't think so. Oh, and see the rush of the water. Oh, look at that. It's like a big stone. They've cut it. It looks like a face. Oh God. Now we're going away from the stream and we're going down again, and it looks like we're closing in on the waterfall. Is this the waterfall maybe? I think this might be and it will be like good picture from over there. This is so cool. This is also, like a canyon. Look at those rocks. I decided to walk in the water. Now we really can see how waterproof they are. If I just, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Wow. So yeah, okay. Big rocks here, but I hear people on the other side, so it is possible to, or maybe you can just walk here. No. Let me see from this way. Ah, here I think, yeah. Yeah. Oh my God. Oh, it's a great. Oh, now I'm on the other side. I hear something. So I'm closing in to something. Look at that. Oh my goodness gracious. No, I couldn't resist to go back. Now I'm actually here all alone. Oh my goodness. All alone. So beautiful. So I have my shoes. I haven't put them on yet, but much better to go in the stream and go into the other waterfall. I don't think it's as pretty as this one, but yeah. So over there was where I came down, and I'm going to the second waterfall now, and I think this is it. I was like, oh, it's dropping a lot of rain, a lot of water from the outside, but I think it's raining, so that's why it's dropping. Yeah, this must be it, right? So it's a nice one, but it's not as nice as the other one. And over here you have like the forest, right? Yeah, so nothing over there. So this is it. Yeah. But the first one was the one, I must tell you. So it has started to rain, and I'm putting on my thing here so I keep the backpack not wet. So I'm up where I ate. It sounds more than it is because of the roof. Oh yeah, maybe it is quite a lot as well. I'm waiting here, and hopefully it will like get a little bit softer, and then I'll be on my bike and going home. It will be dark quite soon. I don't know the time. Oh yeah, it's 4:45, so it's okay. It's pretty okay. It doesn't get dark until well after 6. So I have more. Oh, hello. I have more than 1 hour. Well, that depends on when I start traveling. But I kind of like it. I get into my little thing there, and you're walking through the amazing scenery, and it's pouring down, and it's warm. You know, it's not like in Sweden. It's not cold and awful rain. This is warm, and it's so it's sort of like pleasureful in a sense. Look at this. If it's raining like this and you have this kind of scenery, you don't mind. You don't mind at all. You see the stairs? Oh, it's so steep. Yeah, so I've ordered a cup of coffee so I can, I can stay for a while. Oh, look at them. Oh. Sorry. Thank you, Tukad Cepung waterfall. And now we're heading home. That way. I was just gonna stop and see if the was on the right way, and then I saw this. Down the wires, but I mean, look at this. It's 8:30. I'm not that hungry, but it's like I think I need food. Yeah, so I just go out, and I think I take one of the restaurants very close, because I don't take the scooter or anything. I just walk with my flip-flops, very casual. So I'm sitting at Samivarung here up in the balcony, and I'm gonna eat some tuna special thing. So it's tuna and actually some potato chips and stuff. Doesn't it look? And this is happening here. Oh, I thought it was blackout in the whole city, but it's not. It's just here. Okay, so I noticed something. This was good. It was good, but it wasn't good. And then I said, okay, but I like spicy. So I asked for some chili, extra chili, and I got it into. And then all of a sudden I was like, So maybe it's the spiciness thing that makes me go, This is one thing I'm a little bit surprised that it's allowed here. Smoking in the restaurants. But I'm finished, but there are other people who is